Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel once again. So here's another question from the GCE past question, the same year, November 2022, but question 5. We are told that ABCD is a pentagon. So let's confirm from the diagram. Pentagon are polygon with 5 sides. Pentagon are polygon with 5 sides. So let's confirm that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's truly what a pentagon. Work out the area of the pentagon. Now, how do we find the area of this pentagon, of this gigantic what diagram? I'm very sure that most students, when they come across problems like this, they'll be discouraged. They'll be like, don't let me skip this one. Let me go to the next one. Now I'll come back to it. It is actually very simple. What you just need is to what? Segment the diagram. Segment, that means divide the diagram. Look at it. From here to here, like this, down to this place, that's a trapezium. All right. So first get the area of trapezium. So area of trapezium, let me do that here. Area of trapezium is 1 over 2 into bracket A plus B close bracket H. The A and B represent the parallel side of the trapezium. What are the parallel side? This is one and this is the other one. So I can say this is A and this is my B. Why this H here represent the distance between the two parallel sides, which means from here to here is our H. Let's replace that value there. We have 1 over 2 bracket. What is A? 14. Plus what is B? 20. And what is height? 11. So we have what? 1 over 2 multiplied by what? 34 times 11. So 2 here 1, 2 here, that should be 17. So we have 17 multiplied by 11. That should give us what? I think that should give us 187. But let me confirm that from my calculator, please. That should give 187, but let me confirm to be on the safer side. All right. 17 multiplied by 11. Yeah, I'm correct. 187 centimeter squared. That's our area for the what? Trapezium. Centimeter squared. Now we have worked out the area of this trapezium. We need to work out of the area here of this shape here. This shape is what? Is a triangle. So area of a triangle is half base what? Height. So that gives us what? 1 over 2 multiplied by what's the base? The base is 7 and the height is what? 10. So 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So 7 multiplied by 5 is what? 35 centimeter squared. So the area of the pentagon will now be, you add the two areas together. That's 187 plus 35. That should also give us what? 222 centimeter squared. So there is no need to confirm this from calculator. Just is something, it's just something small. So that's 222 centimeters squared. That's our value for the area of the pentagon. So that's all for today on the math class. So don't forget to like my video, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more of this. I'll see you guys in next class. Bye for now.